Rental house. Have you ever rented a house? What do we need to know before renting a house? Let's stand by Lisa on her rental house trip to learn the vocabulary we need to know when we rent a house in English. Are you ready? I'm looking to rent a house.
Hi, I'm Tom Cohen, the real estate agent. May I help you?
Hi, I saw rental properties on your company website.
Yes, madam.
I'm looking to rent a house.
Sure, madam. Do you have any specific property in mind?
Is the house still available at 200 King Street?
I'm sorry, that house has been a deposit.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'm here to help you find a house to rent. May I ask you some questions?
Sure.
Is King Street the area you would like to live in?
Yes, that area is convenient for me going to my company.
I got it. How big is the house that you're looking for?
I'm planning to share it with my sister. I'm not sure about the size, but I need 2 bedrooms.
Sure. And do you have an idea of your budget?
Maybe under $1,500 a month?
Are you looking for a furnished or unfurnished place?
A furnished place is better.
Yes, madam. Is there anything else you need?
I need it near the supermarket or park.
That's fine. Do you need a place with a parking lot?
Of course.
Do you want 1 bathroom or 2 bathrooms?
I prefer 2 bathrooms, but 1 is okay.
I got it. And one last question. Do you have a pet?
I have a dog. It's only about 5 kilos.
Thanks for your information. May I have your phone number?
123-456-789.
And your name, please?
It's Lisa.
I'll take a look at what's available and contact you later in 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Great, thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Make an appointment for a tour house. Hi, Lisa is speaking.
Hi, I'm Tom Cohen, real estate agent. I called back because I think I found 2 properties that meet your need.
Sure.
The first place is located on King Street, about 1,000 square feet.
It feels very spacious. How much is the rent?
It's $1,400 per month. It has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The kitchen, dining room, and living room are one big connected space without walls dividing them, and it's furnished.
I like it. Does it have reserved parking?
Yes, it's covered parking.
What about the neighborhood there?
The neighborhood is very safe and quiet.
That's so great. What about the second one?
The second place is not on King Street, but it is only 250 meters from King Street.
It's near.
Yeah, the rent there is cheaper. It's $1,200 per month. There is a lot of street parking there.
How big is it?
It's 900 square feet.
It's okay.
Yeah, it has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
Are they full or half bathrooms?
A full bathroom and a half bathroom. One bathroom has a bathtub and a toilet. The other only has a toilet.
I got it.
Both places allow pets.
Awesome.
Which of the 2 are you interested in?
I'd like to see both before making a rental decision.
So I'll set up an appointment with you.
Yeah.
Is it convenient for you on Saturday morning?
Saturday is great.
I'll send the address of the first house to your phone number. So, see you at 10 a.m. this Saturday.
Okay.
Thank you. Tour house. Good morning, Miss Lisa. I'm Tom Cohen.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Please follow me. It's an open floor plan.
It's very spacious. Is all furniture included?
Most of them, but some items belong to the current tenant.
Oh, I need a list of everything which is in the house and its condition.
Sure, I'll send you the inventory.
That would be good.
Let's take a look at the bedroom.
It's clean. This house only has a bathroom, right?
Yeah, it's right here.
It's pretty moldy.
We make sure everything will be dealt with before you move in.
I'm glad to hear that.
There are restaurants, coffee shops nearby, and a park about 150 meters away.
Perfect. Shall we take a look around the second house?
Sure, madam.
This place is quite close to King Street.
Yes, this is Arthur Street. Here is the living room.
Not bad.
This is the kitchen, and as you can see, it has tile flooring and new cabinets.
I see.
And there is an oven, gas stove, and fridge. The house has a medium bedroom and a large bedroom.
Oh, hope my sister would agree with the medium room. How about the bathrooms?
We have 2 bathrooms. One has a tub, a shower head, and a toilet. The other only has a toilet. There is a supermarket 100 meters away.
Great! Can we decorate the place ourselves or paint my room?
I think the landlord will be happy when you improve the house, but you need your landlord's permission before changing anything.
Of course.
Are you interested in this house or the previous one?
Both are great, but I need to discuss it with my sister first.
Sure.
I'll call you later. Thanks for showing me the houses.
It was my pleasure.
Sign a tenancy agreement and pay a deposit. Hello, I'm Lisa. I'm calling about the house on Arthur Street.
Sure, ma'am. How can I help you?
We decided to rent that house.
Wonderful.
We need to pay a holding deposit, right?
Yes.
How much?
It's $300.
Is it easy to get back?
Yes, as soon as you pay the tenancy deposit and sign the contract.
Sure. How much is the tenancy deposit?
It's a month's rent, $1,200.
Why the tenancy deposit is a month's rent?
Because a deposit gives the landlord security in case you cause damage to the property or don't pay rent.
Do we get that back?
Sure. At the end of the tenancy, you will get your deposit back as long as the property is in a good condition.
I got it. How long is the lease?
12 months. After that, you can sign the contract for another year.
Okay. I want to make an appointment to sign the contract and pay the deposit.
Sure, but first you need to supply your reference, and we will process your application.
There are me and my sister. We need 2 references for each, right?
That's right. As soon as your profile is complete, we can deposit and sign the contract.
I'll try to get you the references as soon as possible.
Thank you. Here is a lease.
Give me a moment to read the lease.
Sure. You are responsible for the gas bill and electric bill, and we take care of your water, cable, and internet bills.
That's great. The neighborhood here is pretty quiet.
Yeah, there's not much noise. Place in this area gets snapped up fast.
I like quiet places. Okay, I will sign. And now I'll write you a check for the deposit.
Thank you.
When could we move in?
Whenever you want, ma'am.
I used to. Dialogue 1. What did your parents look like when they were children? Mom, what did you look like when you were young? Is it different from now? I think it's a bit different from now. It's hard to imagine you when you were young. Okay, I will show you my photos of when I was young. You look so beautiful, Mom. I see a pretty girl with long blonde hair. Yes, I used to have long blonde hair. Because of my cute appearance, people always think I'm gentle. On the contrary, I used to be ebullient, even mischievous. I remember me and my surrounding buddies always played hide and seek after we got home from school. But now you are gentle. Right. So, when you were young, what did you like? When I was young, I loved to sing. After finishing the class, I always went to the club to learn to sing. I used to join a band and got to perform in many places. How about you, Dad? Are you ebullient like a mother?
No, I used to be shy and bashful. I didn't like talking to strangers.
So interesting. The parents' personalities are completely opposite.
Yes, that's funny.
Dialogue 2. Dog and cat are our friends. This cat is so adorable. This cat is yours, isn't it? Yes, I just bought the cat last week when I passed the pet store. She is so cute that I had to buy her immediately. What is the name of the cat, Sarah? As my cat is a female, I called her Katie. Is a cat easy to feed? Yes, she is so obedient. But Katie is quite a picky eater. She doesn't really like cat food. She enjoys fish bones, rice, and tiny shrimp. Great! I also used to have a lovely pet. My dog's name is Cookie. But I lost him when we walked into the park. I'm sorry to hear that. Cookie was a special gift that my parents gave me at my birthday party. He was an exotic dog. Here's the photo of me with Cookie. Whoa, his fur coat is stunning. Such a big, beautiful boy. Yes, he has white fur smooth as velvet. Cookie is a playful but smart, docile, and faithful dog. Did you often play with him? Yes, I always used to go for a walk with Cookie, but unfortunately, I can't do that anymore. Don't be sad. I think Cookie will always remember you. Right, I always remember him. Dialogue 3. What did John look like before?
Huh?
Jack? Are you Jack? Yes, I am. Are you John? Yes. I'm really happy to see you here. We haven't seen each other for a long time. Me too. You look so much prettier. Thanks. And you look so different. I almost didn't recognize you. Everybody always says that. You look much more balanced and healthy than before. Right. As you know, I used to be fat and weak, even I had an acne face. Because I didn't exercise, ate fast food, ate midnight snacks, and also drank soft drinks. Whoa, how did you do it? I've been on a diet for a couple of months now and incorporate a little exercise into my diet. And I do not stay up late. And I drink enough water, up to 10 to 12 glasses. I even avoid caffeine. Great! I also want to look as healthy as you. Of course, I will help you. Thanks!
Dialogue 4. We used to be like that.
Tony, look at the students on the football ground.
I see. They look so energetic and healthy.
Yeah, I used to enjoy playing football when I was a high school student. I was also very ebullient about participating in the school sports activities.
So am I. I also enjoyed playing sports. Especially, I liked playing badminton. I used to join a club in university and won many awards.
So cool. But now we don't have time to do anything. Because our jobs as accountants make us have a lot on our plate all the time.
Right. My job always ends at 6 p.m. Sometimes I even have to work overtime till 10 o'clock at night.
Well, the same things you do. After we finished work, I always rush to pick my children up and bathe them.
I don't even have free time to hang out.
This office work makes me really tired.
We are not going to work on the occasion of International Labor Day.
Yeah, great. Would you like to ask the boss to organize a football tournament?
Great idea. I look forward to it. Dialogue 5. The new language will be gradually forgotten when you do not use it much.
Lucy, can you help me?
Of course. What's up? I have a French document that I need to translate, but no one at my company knows French. So I want to ask for your help because I know your major was French when you studied in university. Okay, let me see. If I can, I will help you. I used to be fluent in French, but now I don't use French, so I forgot a lot of words.
Oh no, how long haven't you used French?
I used to use French 2 years ago.
Why don't you use it anymore?
Well, previously I used to work in a company with mostly French partners, but now I have changed jobs.
I don't know anyone who knows French except you.
As you know, when you don't speak a second language much, you gradually forget about it.
What a pity.
But don't worry, let me see. Maybe I can help you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.